If you give them a choice between hiring a Kenyan and hiring any other person, they will want to hire a Kenyan. Why? We speak good English. Kenyans require very little supervision. You know? This is information foreign companies are telling us. We have the right work ethic. Wakenya ni watu wa kujituma. And that is why I am proud to be a president of Kenya. You know? Najua watu wa Kenya ni wa kujituma. Kazi yako ni kuzuia tu wasipitishe mke. Ukiwaambia barabara ni hii. Utaenda mbele tu kuambia hapana piga kona. You see? So, what is happening? So, many people began to take advantage because many companies are looking for Kenyan workforce globally. So, we had these recruiting agencies. They realized that there is an opportunity. They began to take advantage. Unakuta mtu amechukuliwa pesa yake, unaenda Saudi Arabia, unakuta ile kazi uliambiwa sio hiyo. Unaenda mahali ingine, unaenda unadhulumiwa. Unaenda mahali ingine, unaenda unaumizwa. Ile pesa uliambiwa utalipwa, unakuta sio hiyo. So when we came in, we straightened what we call National Employment Authority. Tukafukuza hawa employment recruiting agencies, almost 1,000 of them, that were crooks. We have streamlined that space. We have streamlined the registration of recruiting agencies. We have signed bilateral labor agreement with countries where Kenyans go to work. That bilateral labor agreement gives us the knowledge. Now we know any Kenyan who is going to work in UAE, Saudi Arabia, Germany, France, America, wherever, Austria. Now we know what job are they doing, how much money are they being paid, and we have refused in certain instances that if you are not paying this amount, we have a minimum. We are not going to allow a Kenyan to go out of the country to go and earn 5,000. We have a minimum pay that we demand from those countries.